Hey everyone. Hi friend. So today yesterday I got the Squeaky Clean Kit from Young Living in the mail. So this is definitely helping me get motivated to spring clean because it's all about cleaning and making my stuff nice and neat in the kitchen. So this is what you get. We need to wash our hands, right? So this is a huge container, the big refill of Thieves hand soap. And look at this stylish, cool foaming hand pump that I could put right on my counter and it will look really good. Now, in the past, I bought these and refilled them, but now I'm really excited about this. And what I do with this is to make it even last a little bit longer is I don't fill it all the way up and add a little bit of distilled water because you could dilute it a little bit, and I add a few more drops of Thieves essential oil, sometimes even a splash or a big squirt of extra Castile soap. So that's the one thing. This will last a long time. Now this will last a really long time and help me spring clean it. The bottle got a little funny there, but this is the Thieves Concentrate Household Cleaner. I mean, it cleans everything. This is the only cleaner we use, and to help like scrub, add baking soda. We use this for the counters, the floors, the toilets, the sinks, tubs, even stains on clothes, the pet stuff. And it's so nice because this will really last 6 to 9 months, maybe a year, depends how much you clean. We've been using it to clean some walls even, stains on the carpet and upholstery, and you just dilute it as much as you want. So, isn't that cool? Now, here's what I'm excited about. We go through dish soap a lot because we're eating a lot at home. And my girls just went back to school, so they're still having lunch here. So this was the normal size, what you can buy, but we got big size, and I think it's gonna be your regular. So this is 16 ounces, and the old one's 12 ounces. And it's gonna look so pretty on my kitchen counter with this pump. And so it's clearly labeled, and it's like waterproof label. So that's gonna look so nice. Now, that's not all. So you get dish soap, household cleaner, hand soap, and perfect for on the go. These are brand new. They're the Thieves hand sanitizing wipes. And I love that the ingredients are all safe. So the 65% is ethyl alcohol for the anesthetic, and for, sanitizing. But then there's only water and glycerin and essential oils. Actually, some green tea in there and ginkgo in there too. But the oils in there are the ones like from Thieves, which are good for keeping your immune system healthy and saving you. So we are actually going to be going on a little road trip to visit my sister, and going to definitely keep these in the car. Just so nice to have those on the go. Now, the last thing that comes in the kit is this cool brush, and I love not having to use a lot of things and keep rebuying, but have less waste. So one handle with 3 different heads for different jobs. So this one seems like definitely stiff and good for scrubbing. And then this one's just a little more soft sponge, delicate things. And then this one's really unique. It's kind of like foam. Yeah, it feels like those foams. So I was thinking more delicate things too on there. So it just like pops right in, and then you could interchange it. So that's the Squeaky Clean Kit from Young Living, and it's $140. So I think this is a great deal because it's stuff that you're gonna reuse and less waste. So if you have any questions or if you need to get motivated to clean, I would grab this.